Greetings friends and welcome back on my channel in another Dose of 300 series, and today we will be building a new type of science, the last type of science in our list, and it's a biological science. Yes, so let's do it. Okay, in last episode we actually finished the building of energy science, and now this is the last type we need to build, and it's the sign that we are slowly closing to the point when we need to go back down, back on the Nawis and maybe on other planets to obtain some special products, special ores to continue with our science up here. But not today. Today we will be building the last type of that science. And as usual, first we need to copy and paste this big build for cooling some thermofluid, and I find the correct place, and right over here. So you need to go, what else? And by flying armada above my head, you can tell that I extend the platform again, even more than before, because we need even more space than we have right now. So what else need to go? I think that power pole and that power pole. There it is. And the power pole. And that should be it. I don't see any under collision, so let's paste it. Okay. Now we have some output pipes for thermofluid right over here. In previous builds I used the first one, and now I will use the second one. Yeah, this one. Over here. Oh, too much. Okay, and this should be actually the end of the boss, maybe. At least for this pipe. Awesome. We are getting somewhere. Now, for input of thermofluid, I will use, yes, these two. And top one, always use this one. Okay, and let me cancel these pipes first. Oh, copy the last two. Okay. Okay, here we go. So, this should be our input of thermofluid for this build, and output also. Now I bet I can copy this. And place it right here. Oh, really? Yeah. Let's cancel all that. Place it over here. Okay. And connect all pipes there. Okay. And I definitely don't need that belt, even though it's... Maybe I will need that belt, I don't know. Yeah. And definitely I don't need this pipe right now. Okay, and here everything should be fine except this power pole just in the middle of the build, and I am not sure if I have enough of these. So let me handcraft few of these first. You don't need to be there. And also this power pole. Okay. And that power pole. Yeah. That's better. Okay. We leave the rest on the robots, I think, right now. I'm waiting for lots of pipes, and these two pipes are here and here. And then I can do... yeah, these are empty. Really? Why? Like, absolutely empty? Really? Oh, we are out of thermofluid somehow. Not good. We are missing something very important. Yes, we are missing sulfur because we are out of water. Really? It looks like that. And we have no water at all. Because one more... oh, once again this. God damn it. Let me fix that quickly. Yeah, rocket brings some burn fuel cells, and these fuel cells was leave in that landing pad, which caused that landing pad can send the signal that it's empty, and the rocket waiting to landing again will be always empty. So that's completely broke the whole system. And yeah, this is a long fly. Right here. So did I forget to put... yeah, I did these filters, and this is only if the rocket will dissolve, but I forget to put filter for these over here. This should, yeah, fix that problem. Come on. Where is my rocket? Here it is. Okay, with frozen ice. We can make some popsicles now. Okay. This should quite quickly fill this tank. Actually, first everything will draw the water, and after that it start filling. Yeah, it's filling quite quick, so everything should fix itself now. And before I forget, we need to do something with these empty fuel cells. What I can do with them? Yeah. I really don't need uranium 238 up here. Especially when I cannot make uranium 235 from that. So I will need to send all that down. Where's my rocket ship? Right there. And this is another thing which should be recycled down there. And so I will set a request right over here, and this will fill that rocket with that burn uranium fuel cells. Okay, slowly. And then I am thinking that we don't do anything with that over here. We have some recycling of uranium, but where's the recycling facility? Over here. We are recycling it like here. Okay, so it needs to be. I don't know if I should return this back to this base or actually do some. Maybe I should do some production of uranium up here. Yeah, that will be better. We can do another small build to produce uranium 235 and recycle these burn fuel cells over here. Yeah, this is nice little spot. We don't need much of production. We need only like 4 machines for Kovarex, I think, like top. Okay, and that will be our plan when we return back. This is mostly for fueling these nuclear reactors. If we are talking about nuclear reactors, how we are doing with electricity? Okay, yeah. We are using like 50% in peaks. Okay, it's good, it's good. Okay, and with fixing that, we can return back down there and continue with building the next science. And I have... yeah, it's starting to flow through pipes slowly. Because we converted lots of these warm thermofluid into the cold types, and these are not used right now, so this thermofluid is not returning back into the pipes. At least not now. And I am thinking about using... this pipe is completely empty. Yeah, up here. I don't know, I should put some... I need to put some pumps all the way up there to force the flow, and we are using the bottom one. So, do I really need to have that one up over here? I don't think so. I think I could cancel... no. Don't. Cancel this lane up here, and we will use only the second pipe down there. Sure. Okay. Now I'm back. So you need to be connected like that, for example, and leave alone. And also I use this pipe only as measure tool where the path begins, so I will remove that also. And these already providing us some cooler thermofluid, yes. And we are missing some couple of these tanks, so come on. Robots. Now, what we need for first production of bioscience? Thermodynamic labs. Do I have some? Yes. And I bet this will be almost same like the previous recipes. So these are not thermodynamic labs. These are laser facilities. We don't need lasers. God damn it. And I set the bad request in my logi requests. And thermodynamical, these like space furnaces. Okay. Okay. Yes. And this start to slowly filling. I hope we have all pipes everywhere. Yes. But still needs to produce lots of these to pressurize the whole system. And we are missing some speed modules on these machines. Actually, we are missing lots of these machines. Okay. Did I receive the robot? Where is my... No. I bet they are over... No. Maybe... Yes. Out there. We really need to do something with speed of robots. But sadly we still don't have that science done. Not this one. Where is it? The very important recipe which will give us another 55% of work robot speed. Okay, for both type of robot, this will be awesome to have right now. Thank you to save. And no. Where's are my... right here. No? I don't want that. No? I bet these robots just go for drink or something like that, yeah. Over here. Yeah, the distance between the bottom part of the base and top one where all my things are, it's quite far right now. So with this robot speed, it's really problematic if you want something really to be quickly delivered. Okay, you can go. Okay, so this facility we need the combustive data, biocombustion data. Actually, we just burn some leaves or some biomass to determine how long it will burn or something like that. And this will provide 0.3 without speed modules. This looks promising, but I would tell. And it's not. Yeah, 0.78, which is not so bad. But we will have input and output. Okay, so we are looking for another... You can go, we will place it right over here. And we want some build with one share belt input and one input pipe and one output pipe. And before I will copy this thing, let me check if I have... Yes, up and down. Awesome. So we can use this design. So like that, remove these facilities, remove that overhaul, and anything else gonna stay actually, yes. Remove blueprint and place it, I think it's belongs right over here. I look, this should be in line with this one. Yes, 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 perfectly. Now, we have 1 hour and 90 minutes before something bad really happen on Damia. I hope it will leave my small base alone, but I doubt it. Yeah, I definitely think it will cut through my base like knife through butter. Okay, thanks, robot. Over here, over here. Yes. And do I need that last one? Numbers will tell. 3.1 and 2 of these will do 7, so we will have 3.8, and I think we need, but not with full beaconage speed modules, only with one, maybe, like something like that. We are trying to have the same 3.48, which is so close. It's really close to 3.64, so the rate should be almost the same as in the previous builds, and we done this tier, so awesome. Now okay, we are missing part of our yikes, so I need to place these over here and place these around. Now you can see how quick you can build up here in the space if you are using the design of previous build. Only divided by what these assemblers need, and what is their actual size, because as I said in previous, or maybe 2 episodes back, all these machines having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think it's a 5, 7, and a 9 tiles dimension. So you can apply the same setup with belts and pipes for different assemblers, which can be divided into 3 groups. As biochemical facilities, it's the biggest one. I think it's a 9 tiles. So the same dimensions having the space manufactory, the same dimension having grow facility. Then there are the medium-sized ones, which is plasma generator, all these facilities like laser facility, ration facilities, and then there are the smallest ones, which I think it's a genetic facilities, hypercooler, and I think that's it. And maybe, yeah, this X-ray telescope and normal telescope also having, I think it's the 5x5. I'm not sure, but these are same, so you can copy and paste the whole design for some type of facilities without these facilities actually inside, and use that. So you just need to determine if you need 1 input, 2 input belts, 1 input belt with loop back, or something like that. Okay, and it should really help you to make this production quicker. Now I need to extend our space platform even more. But I will start over here because this is most important part right now. We need that place to be done first. Then robots can finish the rest of the platform from here to there and all the way up here. Okay. So for the next tier we will need mechanical facilities. No, for the next data, mechanical facilities right here, and I will check what the requirements are. Biomechanical data, so we will crushing some Mass. Okay. In first case we will burn it. In the second case we will crush it. Awesome. And we will squeeze some fluid. So we need one belt input with one input with two outputs. Okay, and I think I designed that somewhere over here. Yikes. And now, if you be so kind and tell me how much you will produce, 0.52, which is the basic output rate. Awesome. So it's a 14. We want to place 14 of these somewhere over here. These needs to go. And I will find this blueprint. Copy with that, without these. Okay, with that in the middle, like that. I will need rushing experience, like that. Then we need to turn around this pipe, so these two pipes should be where? These are output pipes, correct? Yes. So the next one will be over here, and over here. I just need to find how this will be connected, because this is input. Yeah. No, they are on the same side. So these two with dirty biosludge are connected, which should end over here and continue maybe out there. And then this one is... oh no. Or yes. Hold on. Maybe I did something wrong. This is a little bit more tricky here than the previous build. So we connected these together like that, and this will output the other thing. No, we need that up there. It's possible to do it like that, actually. If I put that one down, yeah. Okay. Like that. Yeah. Okay, so we will put contaminated water. We cannot put contaminated water into that pipe. But if I put contaminated water into the left and contaminated biosludge down and put biosludge down, yeah, it's also okay. We cannot use this. Because possibilities are only to put... okay, we having that on the left. We can do this, which will bring down. No. So I know we are connecting the outer part. parts together. So if I do this, and then no. Like that. This is only possibility. Okay, so we will have a completely different. Yeah, we cannot hook up these two together. Or like that, maybe. So we can leave the loop on the far side, and then this will be our contaminated water with biosludge. So yeah, we can use that blueprint. Sorry, at least not this middle pipe section. Or can I? If I move this up there and cancel that and move this pipe over here. I need to cancel this pipe completely because it's having wrong spacing. Okay, that's better. Now what is this? Okay, so I will put the contaminated biosludge over there and over there with the ground pipe like that. And then I can connect actually in the middle these pipes together because these having the same fluid side. Give me these pipes. Actually no, you should stay. Okay. So these pipes. We can use this beautiful cross junction, maybe not with this, like that, and then we need to connect this pipe. What I'm doing, I can actually do something like this. Oh, god damn it. Okay. Huh. Okay, but no. Definitely not like that. Okay. Let's take to the first design, like that. One tile back over there, one tile back over there. So, like that, we will connect that pipe with these over here, from here to there. Yeah, pipe help. Like that. So this should work. This will be connected together like here. This should be connected. We still don't need this part, at least not now. So these are connected with nothing because I forget to put the pipe over there, and over there. So these two are connected together. Then these are connected together, which are pipes for loop, and also these are connected together. Okay, so this should be our blueprint. For the rest, yeah. No. I should copy everything without copying something which I don't want to copy. Like that. Yes and no. So there's some mistake in the blueprint, especially this one needs to move, and this is again problem. We need to improvise over here. Like that. No! God damn it! So I will leave this alone. Place it over there. Place it over there. Connect. Still? Really? Connect this to there, and from here to there. Like that, and like that. Yes. And da-da-da. I really don't know how to deal with that roboport. I could do this, but it will cost. Ooh, I don't want to do that. Okay, actually, I can. I have one tile gap over here. It's not in the view, in the perfect cross. Okay. Hey, let's do it like that. Maybe no. Yeah, I know this is horrible way to deal with that problem, but you know, like that. And then these. Everything should be connected perfectly. Okay. One more time over here and over there. Okay, we have this row. Now I need this part. I copy this. Yeah, it's not same on the both sides, I know. And that's a problem. And you can go there. And you can go there. Now, these are connected with the same fluid. These are connected with the... Oh goodness, this is horrible way how to do it. Why not? And this should be mostly it. And if we have enough of these robots, I even can measure how much. And these are... I have 11 in that box. Really? So that means some of them should be on way. Yeah, right there. So this was the most complicated build so far. And yes, okay, so we just need to place this thing over there and the same thing over here. Even I know I need 6, 7, not 8 of these, right? I don't know. Yeah. 1, 8, so 3, 6, 4. Okay. So last two should actually be removed. Right. This pipe, this belt, this belt, this pipe, and this pipe. And this pipes need that. You can end right there. And this is okay. And then I need to connect this one with this one. Okay, thank you, Factorio, but I don't need underground in that spot. And this should be our output. And we only need to bring biomass and white card, the data cards, and lots of lubricant, and lots of biomass. This will need 7. The previous build will need almost 5, so I think that's the reason why I talk about mass production of biomass, because we need that in several builds up here, down here, over here. Also, we need to filter junk data card. Where are they? Where are they? Where are? Here. Horrible. Okay. So, how much of this junk data you will output? 1.1, which is not that bad actually. I still can leave this to a robot to deal with these junk data cards. And this will output only the data card, and the rest of trash output it's in form fluid. So we have that fluid and we have that fluid, and exactly into the row of roboports. But it's okay. I don't even... something like that, and then we can bring these 2 pipes back to the bus when we should have somewhere over here contaminated water. The pipe with contaminated water and contaminated sludge. Okay. And one more time we are out of platform. These robots? Oh no. Okay. And I should have some of these in my inventory, but my robots, for some reason, are so lazy in these days. I will need to use these very reliable components. My beautiful small boxes full of surprise. Awesome. Come on, go back to my inventory. Oh, help me. But I don't want to leave you in dark space right now, so I will need that platform from here to there. Yeah, something like that. First. So. And the third data card are. See, we need to vitamin spice for that. And again, biomass. And these are using biochemical facilities. Okay, so we are talking about big buildings. Awesome. So this needs to make some of these cards, but this could provide enough from few assemblers. Actually, yeah, these two are making already 0.8. So if I use some speed modules, we have 2. So actually we need only 4 of these to produce these type of cards. But input will be 2 belts and 1 fluid. Let me place this over here, and this will be a little bit different than the previous build, but we can squeeze it right here, I think, just in this half of this block of or this cell, roboport cell. Now, first thing first, pipes. How far you can stretch over there? So maybe over here, and I know we need another 4 of these already. So let me do connection of these pipes from here to there and there, and continuing there. Oh, now they are connected. I don't see that. Because I don't see that, I really want to move these out there and there. Okay, now, and output is, yes, of course. So we could maybe use some blueprint like that, or we cannot. No. And I don't think we have blueprint with the biggest buildings in the space, so we need to design this actually again. So 2 inputs, 1 over here, second one tile up, and this belt will be underground like that, continue over there, this will go there and this will go there. So we have our inputs, and I will take this and copy that again, and with that underground, and without missing splitter, 1 more time over there and over there. Okay, we have inputs into these, now outputs. So contaminated biosludge and contaminated water. Okay. Contaminated water and output of these special data cards like that with continuing belt. Okay, we have output, then connect this with that one. Can you move? If oh, I will leave that like that and copy this again. I should do that before. And place some pipes between. Okay, this should be done. Also, I can cancel that because this is the first one. Now, how much you will provide? 3.52. So we need to tune this build. 4.1. So if I remove from each machine one speed module, I think we should be close to the final number. 3.52, and we want 364, I think. No, this is wrong example. We want to be so close to 3.64. Okay. So how about the first one will be a little bit more faster, 368, so it's close enough. Okay, so this is the third production for bioscience. And then I could do maybe something clever. Like connecting these pipes together, because we have contaminated water and contaminated biosludge also over here and there, so we can use the same pipe. This will not provide that much. Ooh, 36. Okay, it's still fine. Ooh, maybe not. This actually can do even full pipe. Okay, I think these two are okay. What about the third one? 9, 10, 10. Okay. But eventually we will have only one pipe to take everything back into the recycling facility. So, yes. Okay, let's connect these together. So we are having biosludge over here, I believe, which is the farthest. This pipe, like that, and then okay, and then contaminated cosmic water over here, from here to there. Okay, like that. And now I am thinking about doing something like this, and maybe the same thing over here. No, actually it needs to be right there. So, like that. To help some flow of these liquids back up there, and last but not least, I forget to connect these together with this one. Okay. Oh, the final touch is to like end this over here and so on. I will be doing maybe with between episode of camera. I will tune few of these. I like to everything will be finished as so then we will save, yeah, it will save few of splitters, but it's not that important, but mostly it's a nice to see that everything ending somewhere, you know, you having no trailing space on the other side of these splitters and so on, so like that. Also everything beginning with first machine and so on. Now, I will leave maybe hooking up these pipes and yeah, biomass now. And how much biomass you actually will need? Another 7. So we already using like half of, no, this one, sorry. And 3.6, so something like 15 together plus with a melange, and we need to do with a melange somewhere over here. Also we need to bring here chemical gel, which should be on this pipe, and this pipe. Yeah, we need something. Yeah, it should actually it should be from here. This one, and this one. Really? You need only. Oh no. Oh, okay. We need. Yes, I forget about that. So we need to bring ion steam up here. Okay, and now we are missing only the last tier. The last, not tiers, the last data cards for biological science. And sadly, this needs genetics facilities, and I don't have genetic facilities, because genetic facilities, if we look into the recipe, into the on the top where it's when we can make that, it needs nutrient watt, 20 nutrient watt, and to produce nutrient watt, we actually need nitrogen gel, and for that we need coal, chemical gel, biosludge, and cosmic water. We have 3 or 4. We don't produce biosludge right now. And to produce biosludge, and we also need some biomass, which needs some nutrigel. And that needs some bioculture, which needs some nutrient, and it's quite complicated actually. So we cannot move any further with building the science without nutrient, and these needs that production of biosludge, which needs first we can produce biosludge from biomass, or from fish, or from what. And this will produce 10, this will produce 20, and this will produce 30. And I didn't saw, or actually from biomatter, and I didn't saw any fish in the space anywhere. We can produce fish from bioculture, But bioculture need 10 bioculture and 100 Nutrigel. 100 Nutrigel will need no, Nutrigel over here will need like 40 biosludge. So you will be producing, where is it, 10 fish from 40 biosludge, and this will give you 10 raw fish. 1 raw fish will gives you 10 biosludge, so you will be producing 100 biosludge from 40 biosludge actually, but bioculture also need 50 biosludge, so and this will give you 10. Yeah, okay, so one take of this or one production of this recipe will give you these 10 biocultures. And this needs 10 biocultures, but 10 biocultures need 10 nutriwatt, and this needs 50 nutrigel. And you have idea how complicated everything is, and the end you will find that it's not worth it. You know, you need like 50 biosludge together with another 40 for producing that, or 20 if you use this, but we don't have anywhere freeze methane, so we cannot produce methane gas. So at the end, this recipe is not worth it at all. It's maybe even, I don't know, worse. It may be in minus at the end or something like that. Maybe you have some biosludge from contaminated biosludge above, but you know. So the best recipe, also the same thing is with wood. You need again 100 Nutrigel, which is 40 biosludge, and 10 bioculture, which is again 50 biosludge. So you will need 90 biosludge to provide 100 wood. And from 100 wood, you can actually produce 40 biosludge. It doesn't make sense. You will produce 100 wood, which only gives you like 40 biosludge. You twice of this recipe, because this recipe needs only 50, and you need 90 for 40, so you are minus 50. And I am not talking about other things to produce nutriwatt biocultures, like another nutriwatt and vitameline spice and genetic data. These are really not easily obtained things, so it's horrible. So only to produce biosludge, the really, honestly, one of the best recipe, only usable recipe, I think, is to do biosludge from biomass, because you will have 30 biosludge for one biomass, and biomass needs biomass production of biomass needs 10 bioculture and 100 Nutrigel. So now we know this. Actually, it's like 90-ish, maybe 100 biosludge with some chemical gel, like that. But it gives you 10 biomass, which means you can produce 300 biosludge from that. So this is only a recipe which I know, and I think about it because you have different recipe how to provide biosludge. Only recipe which have so big productivity, and it easily can produce lots of biomass from starting, I don't know, few hundreds or something like that. So I will use this recipe. But for that we also need the biocultures. So we need that. We need vitamelange spice. And for vitamelange spice you need vitamelange. And here we go. We don't have vitamelange at all right now. Also you need Nutrigel. For Nutrigel you need some biosludge. And the cycle is repeating again and again and again. So right now we have a little bit biosludge in pipes from cleaning some contaminated water, which should maybe be enough to start this process. But first we need to somewhere find that very needed vitamelange. And we have little bit biosludge. And not at all, like a little bit, really little bit. So we will need to suck this pipe to start that production, I think. Yeah, like maybe a few hundreds or thousand right now. Okay, so up over here where it's beginning. Yes, because we producing a little bit biosludge by cleaning the contaminated water. Contaminated biosludge, which is right now only producing cleaning of contaminated water. And this is a really complicated things to handle here in space exploration. And I think I will just take this part, do another part of our... Okay. This is a little bit too much. Give me that part. And give me one more. Okay. I think this is our final length of the space station. Or this space platform. Because this is last year, we need to squeeze maybe one row over here for the last production of this, and that's it. But these, I think, only need like one machine, because it's one genetic data for each second. So if we need 3.64, it will take 3.64. So we need like 4 of these. And if we use some, well, maybe two, and we can easily squeeze these over here. 2 of these genetic, what they are, genetic facilities over here, but we need to produce nutrient packs for them. Yes, to produce them. Also, what this recipe needs, only biosludge. Okay, so we just bring the pipe with biosludge and biosludge over here. Also, we need to do some vitamelange spice, which should also be challenging. Because we need vitamelange spice to produce biomass and for this research. But I think if I use like 2 delivery cannons for production and 2 delivery cannons to go just right here, as we did somewhere over here, or maybe I will put that vitamelange spice, because the vitamelange spice is actually what we will be shooting up here. It's the final product which can go up here. Vitamelange spice. We can produce vitamelange spice down here on an Always and shoot it up here. So we don't need to do like lots of these and so on. We will process that down and shoot it right here. And maybe it will be a good idea to shoot it on the belt. We have still this one delivery chest available. Okay, it's a good idea maybe. So with timeline spines over here, and then production for beryllium, iridium, and iridite over here onto these belts. Yeah, that could work. And then bring these two belts with biosludge and with vitamin spice over here and connect these. Okay, so with these thoughts, I will end this episode. You know what I am planning. Maybe it's a good idea, maybe it's not. But right now it sounds good. You can think about that also, and maybe leave me a comment if I choose the right strategy or I forget about something. Don't forget, I am taking this like the desire ends of or desire progress for space exploration. I could use lots of things which can help me from different modes, but this is mostly like vanilla space exploration with Krastorio, and this is how the creators want to be played, I think. So yeah, like really big space space base or space platform with lots of belts, pipes, and so on. A really complicated base with nice colors. Okay, so I think I will thank you all for watching, and I hope we will see you together in the next episode. Bye.